Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the Aussie dollar has been very, very, very strong. It's actually one of the strongest currencies we follow right now. If we go up to a little bit of a higher time frame, ever since this potential wave 5 right here, it's been very, very, very overlapping, which makes me think that this is possibly still some sort of a flat pattern or some sort of a irregular ABC pattern, and that potentially it is going to go down and take out these lows and the low of wave 4, hopefully making a wave 2 before it continues the uptrend for a wave 1. That would lead to a really, really, really nice long setup once the wave C is complete. Now, we have to be a little bit cautious because the trend is definitely up. So we put our Fibonacci retracement on there. If price goes up and breaks structure at any one of these Fibonacci levels, whether it's the one we're at now or whether it goes down to a lower level, I have no idea. But if it does break structure at any one of these Fibonacci levels to the upside, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. On the other hand, if it does continue to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, then most likely this really is a wave B and this really is a wave C, and we're going to go down to that area I just sold on the 4 hour time frame, hopefully setting ourselves up for a really nice long opportunity, maybe a little bit later on this week. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.